Tonight's bedtime story is Bibo and the Moon. Get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. In a peaceful meadow where flowers danced in the breeze, lived a small bunny named Bibo. He was no ordinary bunny. He had the biggest dreams. Every night, he looked up at the glowing moon and whispered, "One day, I'll touch you." One evening, Bibo asked his mama, "Do you think I can touch the moon?" Mama Rabbit smiled and stroked his ears. "If your heart is full of wonder, anything is possible in dreams," she said gently. The next morning, Bibo hopped over to some birds singing on a branch. "Can you fly me to the moon?" he asked eagerly. One bird chirped, "The moon is far, but maybe your dreams fly farther than our wings." "Let's build a tower of carrots," squeaked his squirrel friend, "and we'll stand on top until we reach the stars." They tried, but the carrots just kept tumbling over. They laughed and laughed until their bellies hurt. Bibo sat on a rock and whispered, "Wind, can you lift me to the sky?" The wind gently blew past his ears. It didn't speak, but it carried the scent of stars. As night returned, Bibo curled up on a petal bed. The moon rose high again, lighting the grass in silver. His eyes grew heavy, he yawned, and slowly slipped into sleep. In his dream, clouds turned into trampolines and stars blinked like stepping stones. Bibo leapt from star to star, giggling, soaring higher with every hop. "The moon is close now," he laughed. When Bibo reached the moon, it wasn't cold. It was glowing and gentle. "Hello, little bunny," the moon whispered. "You believed, so I came closer." Bibo touched it softly. His heart sparkled. The sun peeked over the hills. Bibo woke up with a yawn and a smile. Was it just a dream, he thought, but on his paw, a sparkle of moonlight still shimmered. Bibo whispered to the sky, "Thank you, moon." And from that day on, every night, he told the stars, "Dream big, and even the impossible becomes possible." Sweet dreams, little ones. Remember what Bibo taught us. Dream big, and you might just touch the stars.